It is mentioned once that a village had a jungle which was very difficult and scary. In this forest, there was a tree under which there was a well. Since ancient times, people used to fill water from this well, and now that well was dry. At night, there were very scary sounds coming from this forest. Everyone was afraid of this forest, and no one would pass through it. One day, Gul, the daughter of the king of a nearby kingdom, came for a walk in the forest. That day, the sky was overcast, so she wandered to the well. After a while, there was a very strong storm. Gul lost her way somewhere and got away from her maid. When the storm subsided, the maid went to the palace and shouted that Prince Gul was missing. When king came to know, he sent all the people of his palace to find Gul, but the princess Gul was not found. One day a boy, Dilawar, was going to another village to meet his friend. It was night as he walked. He climbed a tree and slept. When Dilawar opened his eyes in the middle of the night, he saw that a bird was pecking at his feet. He sat up. The bird fetched, sat on his shoulder, and said, "You run away from here. If the black giant sees, it will imprison you too." Dilawar was surprised when the bird spoke. "Who is Black the giant?" he inquired. "Look at the well." Dilawar saw the girl sitting in the well and crying. "This is Princess Gul. She is imprisoned by the black giant," the bird said. "Can it not be freed?" Dilawar asked. "There is a parrot in the hole of the tree on which you are sitting. In it is the life of the giant. Even if an ant leaves, the giant reaches here and kills it." "I will kill that parrot," Dilawar said while getting down and inspecting the hole. "But you have to help me," he spied. "Why not? But what should I do?" the bird asked. "Just remove these straws." It was too late for Dilawar to say that. The bird removed all the straws. Dilawar put his hand inside and took out the parrot. At once, one chill and one black giant appeared in front. "He is terrible." "I found another victim," shouted in a thunderous voice. "I am not your trick. I will let it go." Dilawar spoke bravely. "I only have ruled in this jungle," the black giant angrily said. "Today, your reign will end." Dilawar, in front of his eyes, twisted the neck of the parrot and the giant died. As soon as the black giant died, the map of the forest changed. The black bushes have disappeared till now. Withering flowers bloomed. The cold wind started blowing as if it was a garden. Everyone, the bird, started chirping as if they were praising Dilawar for his bravery. It seemed that this forest had become free. Dilawar took Princess Gul out of the well and took her to the palace. Seeing his daughter, the king was overjoyed. The king gave half of his kingdom to Dilawar and married his daughter to him. The story of a brave boy rescuing the princess from a powerful giant highlights several important moral lessons. Number 1. Courage in the face of danger. The boy's bravery teaches us that true courage involves facing challenges head on, even when the odds seem insurmountable. Number 2. Selflessness. The boy's action taken without any personal gain or recognition illustrate the value of acting selflessly and doing good simple because it's the right thing to do. Number 3. Determination. His success demonstrates that with determination and a strong will, one can overcome great obstacles regardless of how daunting they may appear. Number 4. The power of goodness. The story underscores the goodness and bravery can triumph over evil, reinforcing the idea that moral integrity is a powerful force for change. In essence, this tale encourages us to be brave, selfless, and determined in our actions, reminding us that our moral character can lead to remarkable achievements. Additionally, the tale warns us to avoid places known for danger or madness, as they can lead to unforeseen challenges or harm. By steering clear of such places, we safeguard ourselves and maintain our integrity. However, if curiosity compels one to develop into such environment, it's crucial to be aware of the ultimate risk involved, prepare for the potential danger, and stay informed about the worst circumstances that might arise. Always prioritize safety and take necessary precautions.